Hello students, I am Arpita Paul and I am back again with a new video. So, whenever we are working with any programming language, the first question comes to our mind that how to write the program or where to write it. In case of Java also, there are many softwares available like BlueJ, Eclipse, NetBeans, etc. So today I will tell you how to download and install BlueJ in your machine to run a Java program. Let's start our video. So to download the BlueJ software, you have to click on one web browser. I am using Mozilla Firefox. You can use any other browser also. I personally prefer Mozilla Firefox because it is easy to use. You can use any other web browser also. Now, after opening the web browser, in the Google, you write BlueJ. Okay, then press enter. You can see there are some links available. You have to click on the first link which is provided by the website www.bluej.org. So we are clicking on this link, then it will lead us to another window. You can see here there is another window. Now we are scrolling down and then we will get this option, download and install version 4.2.2 released on 4th October 2019. You can see here there are many options available, like if you are a Windows user, then you will click on this option. If you are a Mac user, then you will click on this option. If you are a Ubuntu user, then you will click on this option. If you are using something else, some other operating system, then you will click on this option. I am a Windows user and I am using Windows 10 right now, so I am clicking on this option. So this option opening one separate window. Here two options are coming, save file and cancel. So we will click on save file option. Now another window comes. So here we will provide the location where we want to store the file. So I am storing the file in my D drive. Okay. So after selecting the drive, you will click on save button. Then the download will start. You can see here. So we have to wait until the download is completed. My download is completed. So now I will open the file. So I am minimizing the browser. Now you can see the file. Here I am double clicking on the file. Now you can see here one window appeared. Now we have to click on the next button. Now two options are coming here. First one is install just for you and second one is install for all the user of this machine. If it is a multi-user machine, then only you have to click here, otherwise you have to click here. Now click on next button. Now you can see all the options are already ticked. If anything is not ticked, then just click on the box and tick it. Then click on the next button. Then again here it is the folder where it is going to be installed. Okay, so nothing you need to do here. You will click on the next button. Now you can see the install option has come. You have to click on install option. Now you have to wait until it is installing. So this window will occur. It is asking for the permission to install it, so you have to click on yes, of course. Okay, so you can see the green line going. It means it is installing. I'm also sharing the BlueJ file link in the comment below. If you are not able to open Google and then download it, then you can directly click on that link and download it from there, and it is only for the Windows users. Okay, so we are waiting for our BlueJ setup to run. We are waiting for it. Okay, it's done. So the finish option has come, so I'm clicking on finish button. Done. Now you can see one icon has come in my desktop that is named BlueJ, and it has a symbol of a bird. This is how it looks like. So I will double click on it to open it. So it has opened. So the white window has come. Okay. Now here we have to create a new project to write the program. How to create it? We have to go to the project option. See, you can see these options, new class, arrow or compile. These options are disabled now. Okay. You cannot use this option without creating a project. So first thing you have to do, you have to create a project. And you can see here only BlueJ is written, but once I will create a project, here the project name will come. Okay, how to do that? Let me show you. We will go to project option. Click on project option, then new project option. Click on new project. Then here provide your project name. You can give any name. I am giving a simple name, that is test. Okay, and this is the location where we want to keep our project, where we want to store the project. By default it is coming. You can store it in somewhere else, but I am keeping the same one because I want to keep it here only. Okay, now we have to click on OK. You can see the name has changed. Now the test has come here because we have created a project named test, and this options, new class, arrow and compile option, is enabled. Okay, this is how we can create a project. Okay, now to write a program we have to create a class. Okay, how to create that? We have to click on new class option. We will click on new class, and then we will provide a class name here. Here I am giving a class name demo. Okay, here also you can give any name in your own. Okay, here we will not change anything and we will click on OK button. Now this is the class. One class is created. Okay, this is how we can download BlueJ, we can install BlueJ, and we can create a class in BlueJ. Now how to write a program in BlueJ within this class, this one I will show you in my next video. Okay, this video is only for downloading and installing the BlueJ for in your machine. Okay, so subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you, students. Meet you in next video.